DC Electronics. In today's video, we are going to see some of the very latest fresher recruitment updates and internship updates. We'll be seeing the recruitment updates from 3 different companies. Wipro, a lot of recruitment updates I'm going to share with you from Wipro. And these updates are very latest ones. You cannot get it from anywhere else. So please do watch this video till the end. Also, if you're seeing the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and follow us on our Instagram page. I put a lot of new posts and job updates also in the Instagram page. So please do follow it. Okay. I'll be putting the link in description. So let's have a look on the recruitment updates one by one. The first recruitment update, first set of recruitment updates actually, we are going to see is from Wipro. The first one is Associate AdWords. Okay. So this is the first job role. The location is Hyderabad. The job description they have given here, basic written and verbal communication skill, basic things only, okay. Basic communication skill, emotionally strong in nature, strong work ethics, then personal experience with internet, website, social communication. That is the, the social tools, social medias that we use in our day-to-day life. Also, everybody will be using internet, right? So this is the only requirement here. If you are having these skills, you can apply here, okay. No special skills or certifications or anything like that they have asked. See the qualification, any graduate is eligible to apply. Okay, I'll be putting some diploma recruitment updates in the community tab also. So please do regularly check the community tabs. If you are having qualification, diploma and ITI, I'll be posting the diploma jobs and ITI jobs in the community tab. I'll be putting the links also. Okay, so that is an update I wanted to share with you. So this is the first recruitment update from Wipro. So if you are interested, just click on this apply icon and apply for it. Any graduate can apply, whether you are from BB Tech background, BCA, BSc, BCom, BBA, or if you are having masters, that is MBA, ME, Tech, anybody can apply here. Okay. The next post is for production specialist. So Wipro is actually hiring a lot of production specialist peoples or employees nowadays. This is for Gurgaon location. They have actually asked for no specific educational qualifications or anything. So this is fund accounting private equity. This is the area of job role. Okay, production specialist is actually a person who is going to take care of the production activities. Little bit of the customer care job role, means job also you have to do along with it. Mainly you will be handling the production related things, the production areas, like various things of the production you have to take care of. Okay, so that is the production specialist job role. The next one is process analyst. This is an analyst post. This is for Chennai location. They have given the job description in very detail, what all things you have to take care of. This is mainly a testing related job role. Okay, so if you are interested in working in the testing domain, you can apply here. Currently, you will get work from home jobs, so no worries about the locations. Later on, you will have to relocate to Chennai location. We don't know when the COVID is going to settle down, because it is persisting for a longer period of time, more than 3 years. Now we are being in this situation. So currently, all these IT employees are working from home itself. So you will also you can work from your home. Later on, you can relocate to Chennai location. Okay, yeah, that is the third job role, which is for process analyst. Again, they have not asked for any specific qualification. A lot of people are trying to get into these companies like Wipro, Infosys, Goldman Sachs, all these companies. So that's why I brought up maximum recruitment updates from Wipro. If you are interested, definitely apply for it. Okay. The next one is a hiring for account opening Kochi. Okay, so this is for Kochi location. Cochin is the location. So if you are a person from Kerala, you can apply here, because this is exclusively for Kochi location. Other candidates from other parts of the India can also try, but mainly for Kerala people, this will be more good. Okay. So here the educational qualification they are asking is graduation any stream. You can actually see a lot of recruitment updates in Wipro, which is asking any graduation, any stream, any year of pass out. So they are actually hiring a lot of people with just a graduation, just a degree level qualification. If you are having, you can apply. Okay, lot of recruitments is actually happening from Wipro. So this is actually for account related transactions. If you are having an experience or a knowledge, you can apply here. Basic knowledge of banking terms and banking bank account opening process, basic things, MS Excel knowledge, good communication skill. That is the only skills. Okay. So if you are having these skills, just apply here. Okay. Yeah, so that's all about the recruitment updates from Wipro. We have seen 4 recruitment updates, 4 links I'll be putting in description. Please do apply for it. Don't miss out. After 2-3 days, if you're applying, sometimes the job may have expired. So please don't complain. Please try to apply when I'm posting the video itself. Okay. The next recruitment is actually a bulk recruitment update, which is from Infosys. So Infosys is hiring people with year of pass out 2019, 2020, 2021 means 2021 and 2022. This is actually a bulk recruitment update which is coming from Infosys. And if you're having minimum diploma qualification or a 3-year graduation, or if you're having the 4-year graduation backgrounds like B Tech or ME, Tech or MSc, all the streams are being hired by Infosys. Let's have a look on the recruitment update. Okay, so Infosys is hiring graduates with year of pass out 2019, 20, 2021 and 2022 for the job role system engineer operations executive, and the last day to apply is January 16th is the last day. So if you are having a graduation in engineering related backgrounds, or BSc or BCA candidates or diploma candidates, all these people are being hired. Okay, let's have a detailed look on the details of what is the streams of education which they are calling for. So B Tech, ME, Tech in any discipline, MCA, MSc, computer science, electronics, maths, physics, statistics, IT, information science. Okay, so this is the streams of systems engineer which they are looking for. B Tech, all the streams are eligible. ME, Tech, any streams is eligible. Okay, operations executive which they are looking for, the streams is BCA and BSc. Also diploma candidates from computer science, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics, IT. These backgrounds are being called. Okay. The compensation is 3.6 lakhs per annum for system engineer and 2.22 lakhs per annum for operations executive. Let's have a look on the form which you have to fill up. So this is the survey form. They have actually modified it a little bit. This is not the previous look. This is a new look. Okay, so this is the application form that you have to fill up. Just click on I agree and accept, and then move on to the fields of this is the fields you have to fill up. Okay, yeah. So this is a form which you have to fill up. There is 75 questions. You have to answer all the questions. They are asking only basic things. Your name, first name, last name, your details, mail ID, phone number, your educational qualification, your experience or certifications. If you are having any, you can put. So this is mainly for freshers. All the freshers are eligible to apply. Okay. So if you are having the year of pass out of 2019 or 20 or 21 or 22, please to apply here. A lot of people from this channel, from EC Electronics, a lot of subscribers actually got placed into Infosys. A lot of people are commenting and messaging me day by day that I got selected into Infosys through your videos and through your information. So I want other people also try for Infosys. Okay, so please try to apply here and please prepare for it and get the job. Okay, a lot of openings is coming nowadays. A lot of companies are hiring. So if you're interested in working with any of these private firms or software firms, this is the right opportunity. Please prepare and please try to crack the test. Okay, yeah. The last recruitment update we are going to see is from Goldman Sachs. So this is some hiring for interns and new analyst post. So the last day to apply is January 9. I'll be putting the link in description. This is for summer internship and new analyst. So they are looking for any graduate with year of pass out 22 and 23. So for new analyst post, they are hiring people with year of pass out 2022. And for summer internship, they are hiring people with year of pass out 23. Locations is Bangalore and Hyderabad. So you can expect the aptitude test from January 19. From February 20 onwards, you can give the technical test, and from first week of March, you can give the interviews. Okay, so please to apply for this. I'll be putting the links in description. Okay, so that's all for today's video. I'm really hoping that you found the video useful. I have tried to bring a maximum new recruitment updates from Wipro, Infosys, and all the other companies. If you are finding this content useful, please support the channel. Please like, share, subscribe to the channel. Share the videos with your friends also and tell them to subscribe. That's it. Thanks for watching and keep on watching.